Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Now I am going to show new smart product that is nothing but smart dustbin. What is meant by smart dustbin? Let me tell you in detail. During this pandemic COVID-19, people are struggling to put garbage into the dustbin. This is a touch-free dustbin to put garbage into the dustbin. When the person comes near the dustbin, the lid of the dustbin will open automatically. When the person moves far away from the dustbin, the lid of the dustbin will close automatically. What are the components required, how it works, what are the software required? Let me explain in detail one by one. The components required are Arduino Uno, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, dustbin, some cardboard sheet, some jumper cables, and one power adapter and one USB cable. These are the required components. How to give the connections? Let me tell you in detail one by one. From Arduino Uno to servo motor, from Arduino Uno to ultrasonic sensor, from Arduino Uno to power supply. Let me tell you first about Arduino Uno to ultrasonic sensor. Arduino Uno to ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor VCC pin is connected to Arduino Uno 5 volt pin. Ultrasonic sensor trigger pin is connected to 5th pin of Arduino Uno. Ultrasonic sensor echo pin is connected to Arduino Uno of 6th pin. Ground is connected to Arduino ground. Let's see connections between servo motor and Arduino Uno. Servo motor VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volt and servo motor ground is connected to ground, and servo motor control signal is connected to 7th pin of Arduino Uno. Let's see connections between Arduino Uno and power supply. Positive pin of power supply is given to VCC of Arduino Uno and negative pin is connected to ground. These are the connections. Now let me explain in detail about how it works. When the person comes near the ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino detects and sends signals to servo motor to open the lid. When the person moves far away from the dustbin, it will close automatically. This is the working principle. What is the use of it? During this pandemic situation, this is a very useful to put garbage into the dustbin. This is a touch-free concept. The materials or waste present in the dustbin, it won't be exposed, covering with the lid, so that mosquitoes and flies won't come. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you Velmurugan sir for sponsoring this dustbin.